Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best 3-channel dash cams. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is ASDOM M550. Specifications: brand name, ASDOM. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX307. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inches to 5 inches. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Display, LCD. Aperture, 1.8. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 on our list is Vantru E3 DashCam. Specifications: brand name, Vantru. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display, IPS. Interface, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, microSD, DF. Warranty, 18 months. Weight, 915 grams. Number 3 on our list is Vantru N5 DashCam. Specifications: brand name, Vantru. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 4. Display size, 3 inches to 5 inches. GPS logger, internal. Battery, none. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Frames per second, 30. Display, IPS. Warranty, 12 months. Number 2 on our list is Bipocam 3-channel dash cam. Specifications: brand name, Bipocam. Aperture, f1.6. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3.19 inch. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Display, IPS. Weight, 600 grams. Number 1 on our list is N550 Channel Car DVR. Specifications: brand name, N550. Power source, corded electric. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inches to 5 inches. Chipset manufacturer, General Plus. Display, LCD. Weight, 500 grams.